The C# program runs on a single thread, which is called as main thread. A thread basically runs process synchronously. Suppose you are designing Amazon order confirmation system. In that, once a user places any order, you have to send one SMS to him and one email to him stating that your order is confirmed and this is your order ID. But if you are designing your system on a single thread synchronously, then first your SMS will send and then your email will send. If sending SMS takes 2 seconds of time and sending email takes 3 seconds of time, then your total execution time will be 5 seconds. Now, to make your system more efficient, we have to reduce this total execution time. So for this, we will use multi-threading environment. I will create two different threads. One is responsible for sending SMS and one is responsible for sending email. And both of these threads will run parallelly. So the total execution time will reduce to 3 seconds. Let's see this in action. So I will create two methods. One is for sending SMS and one is for sending email. And both will receive one order ID. And here we will show sending SMS to maybe some phone number. Okay. So if sending SMS takes 2 seconds, then we have to sleep our system for 2 seconds. And then once SMS is sent, then we can display order ID sent on SMS. And the same thing we will use for sending email, but this will take 3 seconds. Sending email to maybe user@gmail.com, order is sent on email. So now these two functionalities are done. We have to send SMS and we have to send email. So first I will take one order ID and then I will send SMS with this order ID and finally send email with this order ID. Now let's run this. It is sending SMS to this number, order ID sent on SMS, sending email to user, order ID sent on email. Total time taken is 5 seconds because SMS sending is taking 2 seconds and email sending is taking 3 seconds. Now let me create two different threads. One is for sending SMS thread and one is for sending email. Okay, and both are expecting one parameter, which is order ID. Okay, so now we have created two different threads. Now it's the time to execute both of them. SMS thread dot start and then email thread dot start. We can remove these two methods from here and let's run SMS thread dot join and email thread dot join. So what it will do, it will wait for both of these threads to complete and then it will stop our stopwatch. So we can see how much time this entire functionality is taking now. Now let me rerun it again. And now it is sending SMS to this one. You can see it is sending email to user, order ID sent on SMS, order ID sent on email. And now total time taken is 3 seconds.